Who's that puppy? Who's that puppy girl?
I remember Ro used to slip on that tile.
Yeah. Who's that little puppy girl? You're sniffing. You're sniffing. It's okay. It's okay.
Sit down, sit down. Oh. No, Trev, sit down and let her come out. Let her come out. Here, Kieran, have a seat. Do you want a video, Kieran, or you want me to?
I'll give us a
Hey, Trevor, I want you to listen.
Oh.
Trevor, I want you to wait.
That's okay.
All right.
Trevor, just let her be.
Yeah.
Oh, she's stretching. Look at how little she is.
She's walking behind the box.
Okay, guys, I want you just to let her do what she wants to do, okay? This is her chance to explore. She needs to feel safe, so stay still.
That's her butt.
Just let her be. Let her explore. It's okay.
Ooh, I wonder what this one says.
She's gonna pee.
He's gonna be.
Yep. Probably should.
Just wipe it up before she sleeps.
Oh, oh, she's back in it now.
Time.
Where is it? Before I
She's
step
standing in it.
It's
There we
okay.
go. It's okay, little girlie. I know you had to pee.
I know you peed. It's gotta pee more. Let her discover. Here. Yep.
Okay, guys, can you guys sit down?
You're like biting your shit.
Come on, guys, just sit down. Okay, Trevor, I want you to sit down and let her be. Okay, she's gonna explore.
She's really scared.
Trevor, you're not listening. Xander, can you guys sit down? She'll come to you. She's gonna explore.
More pee. Oh. He wants to get
are wet.
He should come. Yeah.
Can you somebody video her, please? Here.
There you go.
Can I video her? Come on.
Xander, you gotta
Can
sit.
I video her?
Guys, if you just sit still, she'll come and explore. Can you sit still? Oh, Trevor's getting kisses. There you go. Do you want to try and get some kisses? You did? Okay.
He made a line on me.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm not gonna wipe it off.
Xander, you have to hold the video camera
it this way, or else it's gonna video.
I love her little spot.
I know.
Can we call her Spot?
No.
Okay.
I'd prefer not to call the dog
Hey,
Spot.
what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey.
Get away, this is yours.
Okay, Trevor.
Trevor, you have to be
You can't hit her. Okay, you can't even tap her.
Right now. Time for the snowman.
You guys went nuts at the festival.
This is not. She might be a little bit old.
We got her some things to chew on.
What are those? We only got.
Is she gonna sleep in there or there?
We're gonna let her choose.
Yeah.
I'm thinking she'll probably sleep in her little crib.
Trevor,
Okay,
that could
Trevor.
really scare her.
Trevor.
Ow! Ouch! That hurt my
Let's
ear.
not bite that part, okay?
Nobody crotch. Ow! no.
Careful, Trev. No, I don't want that.
Trevor,
in my ear,
Trevor.
but thank you.
Trevor, come on. Okay, guys. I know we could stay up all night playing with her, okay?
Ow! That hurt my ear. Ow! That hurt my ear.
You're not in your jammies yet, are you?
Okay.